Hi guys, we know that collecting a semantic word is the hardest part in ASO. It should be relevant and accurate to fit your current promotion strategy. In 2020, the number of people who use store search to look for apps increased to 70%. This means that we have to pay a higher price now for errors in text ASO. Just think about it. Most people find you through search queries, or they don't if the keywords are wrong. That's why we've created Explorer, an easy-to-use tool that solves the problem of collecting semantics.
With this tool, you can study all the keywords by which your app is indexed, as well as store suggestions and search results by keywords. And most importantly, you can focus on keyword metrics right from the start to collect your keywords properly. Those metrics are keywords frequency level, the average number of impressions, the total number of apps indexed by a certain keywords, and keyword length. The data is as fresh and relevant as possible. You can update it manually to stay in the loop and track even the smallest changes. Just click the button. Besides, you can switch between different apps in a single click to explore your competitors' keywords.
Our next state-of-the-art tool is Ideas. Too many text ASO turns out to be a quite boring routine, as it may be challenging to navigate an ocean of keywords, adjust your data, and find new ideas. We've created a powerful intelligence backend tool that takes over this job. In fact, it's a source of insights. Keywords are segmented here according to a bunch of parameters like keyword frequency, low, mid or high, keyword length, short, medium, long tail, or app ranking tops by keywords. There are more than 10 lists available.
You can easily pick keywords for various iteration scenarios in new AC iterations. This means no daily green, zero time wasted, and no big effort. Let's say an app can be indexed by 10,000 keywords. There is no way to process all the data on your own. We've arranged and divided the keywords into groups to make it easier for you to find your way around. For example, today you need some keywords by which you rank low. The next day you need some mid-frequency keywords, or on the contrary, you want to expand your semantic core and you need the keywords by which your app hasn't been indexed yet. Put more smart features at your fingertips. Select already formed lists depending on your strategy and try new iterations. And one more bonus of the release: we've made adding apps more convenient.
As ASO experts, we know how tricky it can be to assess the influence of the traffic from browse and explore channels on your app growth. We are talking about the category top charts, similar, related, recommended apps, different collections, featured apps, and stories. For these purposes, we've developed a new index, the Browse Visibility Index. It shows an app visibility level directly in these sources. For example, you've changed the text, polished your app description on Google Play using Google Natural Language, and achieved 0.99 category confidence. Your goal was to boost impressions in similar apps, and an increase in browse visibility indicates that this iteration has been successful. Browse Visibility Index will help you quickly detect and record changes in app visibility after each iteration or update, compare your app with those of your competitors, and track your progress using benchmarks by category. Besides, you can track the browse visibility highs and lows.
Next, I'll show you the tool our customers have been asked for. It's called Inapps. Developers often don't have a clue by which keywords App Store indexes their in-app traces. How high a certain in-app is ranking, how well does the app title work in terms of search optimization, how do their competitors work with in-apps. We've created a powerful intelligence-backed tool that makes all this data available.
You can analyze all promoted in-apps of any app and monitor the search results of all in-apps by any keyword. And if you are asking yourself, what price should I set for my in-apps? This tool will help you conduct the marketing research. Analyze your competitors' offers and how their prices have changed. This will make it easier for you to set your own price.
Well, what developer doesn't dream of monopolizing the entire search bar? Imagine that both your app and its in-apps are shown to users by a relevant keyword. The conversion in this case is much more likely to be decent. Our advice is to improve your in-app optimization and experiment with it just like with other text elements. We can't wait for you to take advantage of our new features and bring your ASIC to the next level.